Mastering Mixed Conditionals, the Path to Fluent English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mixed conditionals in English. This topic is a part of the larger, third conditional theme, but it deserves special attention due to its unique and versatile usage in everyday English conversations. So, let's get started. First things first. What exactly are mixed conditionals? Mixed conditionals are sentences that combine different types of conditionals, often to express complex thoughts, feelings, or situations. They usually consist of a clause from the second conditional, imagining a present or future situation, and a clause from the third conditional, imagining a past situation. An example would be, if I had studied harder, I wouldn't be failing this class. Here, the "if I had studied harder" part is from the third conditional, imagining a different past. The "I wouldn't be failing this class" part is from the second conditional, imagining a different present. So, when should you use mixed conditionals? Mixed conditionals are used when we want to show how a past action has an effect on a present or future situation. This can be particularly useful in everyday conversation when we are expressing regret, criticism, or hypothetical scenarios. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to try creating your own mixed conditional sentences. Remember, the key is to link a past hypothetical situation with its present or future implications. For example, if you hadn't left the window open, past, there wouldn't be so many bugs here now, present. Or, if she had taken that job offer in New York, past, she wouldn't be stuck in this small town, present. As you create your own examples, remember that practicing out loud can help solidify these structures in your mind. It's practice time. I'll give you some situations and your task is to create mixed conditional sentences based on them. 1. A missed train this morning, past, to being late for the meeting now, present. 2. Not learning English earlier, past, to struggling to communicate in an international company, present. 3. Forgetting to water the plants last week, past, to the plants being dead now, present. And there we have it. We hope this video helps clarify the concept of mixed conditionals and makes your English language journey a bit smoother. Remember, it takes practice to master these conditionals, so don't be hard on yourself if you don't get it right away. Keep trying, and before long, you'll be using mixed conditionals just like a native speaker. Happy learning!